Hi, in this exercise, we are working with Boolean logic in Go. We have 4 functions, each determining whether Annalyn can perform a particular action. The first function is can fast attack. The rule is simple. The fast attack can only be performed when the knight is sleeping. The second function is can spy. Annalyn can spy if at least one of the knight, archer, or prisoner is awake. We use the or operator. The expression is knight is awake or archer is awake or prisoner is awake. The third function is can signal prisoner. Annalyn can signal the prisoner if the prisoner is awake and the archer is sleeping. Here, both conditions must be true, so we use the and operator. The expression is prisoner is awake and not archer is awake. Finally, we have can free prisoner. There are 2 different ways Annalyn can free the prisoner. The first way is when her pet dog is present and the archer is sleeping. The second way is when the prisoner is awake, while both the knight and the archer are sleeping. Because there are 2 possible ways, we connect these 2 conditions using or. The main idea of this exercise is to translate English rules into Boolean expressions. The 3 operators we use are not, and, or. Once you understand these 3 operators, all 4 functions become straightforward.